Robert Onyango and his wife, the late Maureen Anyango, arrived at the Mama Lucy Kibaki Hospital around 10:45 p.m. on the 5th of September this year, as Maureen was due to deliver.
Vile tulifika kwa entrance ili tuingie, walitukataza. That watchman alikataa tusingie. Alisema sisi tusingie, madam ndiye aingie peke yake huko.
It was the beginning of a troublesome journey for Robert. The next morning, he was informed that his wife had already given birth. In the process of looking after his children and attending to his wife, Robert realized that Maureen was bleeding profusely from her private part. His numerous efforts to reach the nurses who passed by the ward were in vain, forcing him to stop the bleeding by placing a cotton on his wife's private part.
Out of vile kutetewa na pia na hawa inpatient walikuwa hapo ndani. Ndio sasa there's a group of doctors walikuja. Wakakaa hapo like 10 minutes. Then kidogo hivi wakamtoa na hiyo bed yote.
A lot happened when his wife was sent back to the theater for the second time, including 2 nurses who wanted to take Robert's twins owing to his alleged lack of knowledge of childcare. At the theater, Maureen's condition worsened.
There's a daktari hapo aliniita. Akaniambia referral place wanaweza mpeleka ni Kenyatta University referral ama Machakos.
Finally, a chance to admit Maureen was found at Kiambu Hospital, but before leaving Mama Lucy, Robert says the health workers lacked knowledge in ambulance operations. Maureen was admitted to the Kiambu Hospital and the treatment started immediately. The next day, however, things changed for the worse.
Akaanza kuniambia, Robert, tuli receive bibi yako at this time. We tried all our best. So from there nilijua tu.
Elsewhere, the family of the late Edward Otieno, who passed away in September this year due to injuries from a road accident, says according to a CCTV footage allegedly from Mama Lucy Hospital, Edward spent hours on the floor without being attended to until the family intervened.
Somebody told me, can you hurry up? Because nobody will touch your son if no relative gets there.
It is alleged that Edward, after his accident, was taken to the hospital by the police.
In all this, the nurses did not come to support us.
In the financial year 2022-2023, free maternity services received an allocation of 4.1 billion shillings. In addition, universal health coverage received an allocation of 146.8 billion shillings. The events at Mama Lucy Kibaki Hospital, however, are contrary to achievements set to be met by such investments.
We cannot afford to continue losing lives at the expense of still offering services that are killing our people.
Why do they have to be so inhuman when they're handling patients?
If it means that you have to shut that hospital, it is within your powers, Chairman, and your committee to do that.
The chair of the Senate Health Committee, Jackson Mandago, has to this end noted that an investigation will be carried out and legal action taken against any staff found negligent. Ben Kerera, K24, Nairobi.